Give up, to stop trying. After hours of trying to solve the puzzle, I decided to give up. Come out, to appear or emerge. The sun finally came out after a long, rainy day. Broken down, to stop working. Our car broke down on the way to the beach. Pass away, to die. My grandfather passed away peacefully last year. Lay off, to fire someone from a job. The company had to lay off several employees due to budget cuts. Grow up, to become an adult. She wants to be a doctor when she grows up. Pick up, to lift something or to learn something quickly. I need to pick up my daughter from school. She picked up Spanish very quickly. Throw away, to get rid of something. Don't throw away that bottle, we can recycle it. Trip over, to stumble and fall. I tripped over the curb and scraped my knee. Thank you, to express gratitude. Thank you for helping me with my homework. Get on, to board a vehicle or to start doing something. We need to get on the bus before it leaves. Let's get on with our project. Get off, to leave a vehicle or to stop doing something. She got off the train at the next stop. I'll get off work at 5 p.m. Fall down, to fall to the ground. Be careful not to fall down the stairs. Look like, to appear similar to someone or something. You look like your mother with those eyes. Take off, to remove something or to leave a place. Please take off your shoes before entering. The plane will take off in 10 minutes. Give back, to return something. Can you give back the book I lent you last week? Cheer up, to become happier. I brought you some flowers to cheer you up. Get together, to meet with someone. We should get together for coffee sometime. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? Try on, to put on clothes to see if they fit. She tried on the dress but decided not to buy it. Hold on, to wait a moment. Hold on, I'll be with you in a minute. Run away, to leave somewhere quickly. The cat ran away when it heard the loud noise.